Hello, everybody, and thank you for visiting our virtual booth. My name is Brad Adcock, and I am with Maxson Associates. Maxson Associates specializes in a variety of products. Some solutions we provide discuss space management, but a majority of our solutions we provide deal directly with fire and life safety. The solutions we provide cover a variety of problematic areas in the code, from openings and firewalls all the way to smoke partitions and in between. The video you will see capture ways we have worked with design professionals, fire protection engineers, and code officials to ensure design intent is met, but the building code is not compromised. First, you will see a perimeter fabric curtain from SmokeGuard that is providing smoke protection at a convenience opening located just outside of Atlanta, Georgia. Using NFPA 101 for vertical opening protection can be a challenge for any design professional, as there are a variety of ways to define this vertical opening, which is why we take the time to thoroughly read through the code, meet with code officials and fire protection engineers to ensure we can be a resource in design and be there for completion of installation. Next, we have elevator smoke curtains from SmokeGuard. This is installed in accordance with IBC 2018, Chapter 30, Section 30063, Item 3, regarding using additional doors in lieu of an elevator lobby. These units are tied to the local smoke detector and deployed either via these local smoke detectors or complete power loss for more than 10 seconds. This is a good solution when maximizing square footage is important, corridor widths do not allow for swinging doors on hold open, or aesthetically, the intent is to keep the space connected. Here we have a good example of how fire and smoke rated fabric curtains can be used to reduce the overall volume of an atrium. Whether it's via NFPA 101 or IBC 2018, atriums can be quite a concern from a designer's perspective when looking at the ramifications of smoke evacuation on their overall design. Without getting too far into the weeds, by reducing the volume of these atrium spaces, we can allow for a fire protection engineer to take into consideration this reduction in volume when looking at smoke management flow rate. Here, we are moving into overhead, side acting, and horizontal fire doors. These doors open up the ability to be used in a variety of solutions. This is an example of a project in North Carolina with an exit access stair. In this application, the stair is connecting 3 stories, and in order to not compromise the building code, we are using a 3-hour side-acting fire door to help maintain the fire barrier construction required at this top floor. This then allows the other 2 floors to be open and unobstructed. And here we have another example of providing the same type of protection at another exit access stair. A good option when the design intent and construction restraints are taken into consideration and the architect and designer want to have a fully opened, visible stair that is not part of the means of egress. Another example of atrium protection, but this one is a bit different than reducing the volume as shown with the fabric curtains on our previous video. By providing a UL10B horizontal fire-rated shutter, we are compartmentalizing floors so there is no 3-story connection. The idea and intent here is to not have more than 2 stories common, and in essence, not having the designer, the GC, and the owner provide smoke evacuation. A great way to save money up front and through the duration of the building occupancy. The next few examples show how to incorporate a fully swing egress door into overhead fire-rated doors. The examples show either elevator lobbies or horizontal exits, but can be used in a variety of situations where an opening protective is needed and egress is required. This is a good solution when you have a large opening in a firewall or fire barrier and want to provide a code-related protection along with sufficient egress capacity while not altering the design intent. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video and uncover some of the possibilities out there, and I appreciate you attending our virtual booth. I will be here to answer any additional questions or provide additional information as needed. Look forward to talking to you.